Hi there, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Saqib Latif. The question says AC parallel to GD. AC parallel to GD, and the second is AF parallel to BE. AF parallel to BE. Now, BC over AB is equal to 3. BC over AB is 3. And AG is equal to 4 over 5 GF. And then calculate FE over DC. So we need to calculate this FE over DC. So first of all, we have to transfer both ratios onto the same line segment FC. So have a look. We're going to apply the proportionality theorem to pull all the ratios on FC side. So the first of all, I need to these ratios is not the actual length, so I have to denote with x and y. So first of all, BC, let BC is equal to 3x and AB is equal to x, because under here is if there's nothing, which means under here 3 over 1. So the BC is 3 and AB is gonna be a 1. So BC is equal to 3x and the AB is equal to x. If there nothing mean there's 1 under 1 here, 3 over 1. So the 1 mean we're gonna denote with x, and the AG is gonna be a 4y and the GF gonna be 5y, because both sides you divide by GF, this is cancel out, AG over GF. So whenever you see this type of ratios, this mean AG is 4 and GF is 5, because GF I'm gonna pull over to this side. It's like this, both sides you divide by GF, cancel out, AG over GF. So the AG is 4 is 4y and the GF is 5y. So the AG 4y and GF is 5y. Next thing we need to highlight it, we got two parallel line, so which means we got two triangle. We need to highlight it our triangle now. Let me show you. So the first triangle, he say AC parallel to GD. AC parallel to GD. So this is green one. This is our triangle ACF. So I highlighted this triangle and I can see here now that we need to see which ratio I can pull into FC. So if you look nicely, and the sketch you need to carefully read, sometimes you have to ups and down the sketch so that you can recognize the sketch properly. Look here. So this is a long base AF parallel to BE. So now these are the proportion sides for this parallel line. So now I can use, so what I have here BC and I got AB. So which means ABC, and then this side gonna be FBC. Look here, on this triangle ABC 3 point and this side is FBC 3 point. So I have the ratios of this side. So the ratios BC I have 3x and the AB I have x. So I can use these ratios, and then what I can find this side. So let me see. So AB I have and BC. So if I say BC over AB, must remember you can choose any combination you like as long as the other sides you match it. So now I decide BC over AB. So which means I have to do other side same thing. BC over AB. BC gonna goes with EC. So BC over AB, EC over FE. BC over AB, EC over FE. So I write EC over EF or FE, same thing, is equal to BC over AB, line parallel side of triangle, because I use the proportionality theorem. Must remember, always we write which side we need to find. We write left hand side, and what we have we write always right hand side. So we need to find the EC over EF. because we need to completed this FC side, all these ratios we have to pull over to the FC, because our question say FE over DC, which is laying on FC. FE over DC, we need to find this ratio of, we have to calculate the ratio of the FC line. So that's why we have to pull all the ratios to this FC. So obviously we cannot pull just like this. We need to apply the proportionality theorem, and then we can pull all the ratios into FC. Now, so EC over EF, obviously EC over EF, because we do have the BC over AB. We go according to this what we have, but we can choose any combination. So I decide BC over AB, so which means EC over EF. So we need to find EC over EF. So E is equal to BC over AB. Now, so the BC we got 3x and AB we got x. 3x over x. Now we need to see what can we do, what else we can do. Must remember, always you must indicate what you have here. So we have E to C. So the E to C we have 3x, and EF we got x. EF we have x. Now must remember, AG we got 4y and GF we got 5y. So we need to see in on which triangle these ratios, and how we can pull on FC. So these are the side. So obviously I cannot use these parallel lines. So I need to look if this is the side AG and GF. So I need to see which triangle is this proportion of. Now we need to look. So AG and the GF. So again you have to turn the sketch another side to look properly. So look here. Now these two parallel lines, and these are the sides. Can you see? So the AG and GF, laying AG and GF is the side of these two parallel lines. So these, the long base and the short. So the AC parallel to GD. So these two parallel lines, and the AF and the FC are the sides of this triangle. So now AG and the GF we have. So which mean AGF on this triangle. Have a look. AGF and then CDF. AGF CDF. So we have AG and the GF. I can choose this combination AG over GF. So I'm gonna do exactly same thing this side, CD over DF. So which means I'm looking CD over DF, and it's gonna be equal to AG over GF, because I have these proportions and this I need to find. So on that way I can pull these ratios to this side. So I'm gonna turn the page now. So CD over DF is equal to AG over GF, AG over GF, line parallel side of triangle. So AG I have 4y and GF I got 5y. Now I'm gonna also have to place these all proportions in there. So the AG I have 4y, and sorry, CD, so which means I have CD over DF is gonna be now 4y over 5y. So the CD is 4y, C to D. So I'm gonna use maybe another color, C to D, and that's a 4y, and then DF we got 5y. D to F. D to F. That's gonna be a 5y. Let me write here 5y. Right. Now this is the technique I was talking about. As you can see now, we got a lot of clash here. So we need to find FE. We need to find FE over DC. FE over DC. But look here. So I cannot. Why? Because C to D is 4y and the C to BE is 3x and the D to F is 5y and the E to F is x. So is a whole mix up here. So actually FC is got whole line is have clash. So how to solve when you have such a clash? Remember in previous video it was a different clash. According to the previous video the clash was only on this side ED. So X and Y was clash. So that was easy. I did solve for you. I solved for you, but there's a previous video you can watch. So now in this video you can see FC. This is a different technique and different clash. So obviously I cannot use the same technique now. The technique is gonna be different now. So whole FC is clash. So how to do this one? Have a look. If you got such a clash, then all the x and y is mixed. So we're gonna do 3x. We're gonna equate all of these variable. 3x plus x is equal to is going to be a 4y plus 5y. Now, so 3x plus x become 4x and 4 plus 5 become 9y. So I need to one of the variable I need to isolate. Why? Because this whole FC I must write on a bracket because whole FC, this is whole FC have a clash. So now, so therefore I isolate y. So it's gonna be both side divided by 9. So 4 over 9 x. So we have y value 4 over 9x. Must remember x on top, ne? But we need to find FE over DC. Therefore, FE over DC is going to be equal to now. So FE we have x, I write x, and the DC we have 4y, I write 4y. See the C to D is 4y. Now, so y is equal to 4 over 9 x. So place of y, I'm going to substitute the value of the x 4 over 9x. Have a look. Must remember here you can isolate x as well if you want to, but I isolate y. So it's gonna be a x over 4 place of y is gonna be a 4 over 9 x. Now you solve here. It's gonna be x on top. At the bottom gonna be 16 over 9 x. So now x, so invert 9 over 16 x. But remember this x on top don't become down. So the x and x cancel, only left 9 over 16. So therefore FE is gonna be is equal to FE over DC is equal to 9 over 16. Therefore FE over DC is equal to 9 over 16. Sorry for that. No, FE over DC is equal to 9 over 16. So if you want to write in ratios, you're gonna say 9 ratio 16. But he don't want answer in ratio. He want FE over DC in fraction form. So the FE over DC is equal to 9 over 16. Please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day. I'm gonna show you in my next video another technique how to solve these type of multiple ratios questions.